It's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out Dreamcatcher MAISON comeback. Dreamcatcher's coming back with a banger. Well, according to my friends, it's a banger. So, but Dreamcatcher always has like a unique sound. They have a sound. They have their own color. They ruling it. But people be sleeping on them, you know. Sometimes I be one of those people. Sometimes I do deserve a slap, like that.
Did you slap yourself? Wait, what did you do?
It's for comedy relief, but inside it hurts. Anyways, much deserved. Anyways, Dreamcatcher, MAISON, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play mine.
Dun, dun, dun. Bum, bum, bum,
Close
bum.
enough. Dreamcatcher, MAISON MV, let's get it, let's go. Like I said, they just came down like Super Saiyans. Saiyans? In the whole like aspect, it seems like it was like, I feel like a Fallout gameplay kind of feel. Oof. Outfits on point per usual. And the hair. Ooh. But yeah, it looks like a video game. Like they're characters of a video game. Not sure if they're like the villain or the hero, or maybe they're a mix. Ooh. Okay, outfit. Damn. What is that? What is that? You save my home in the polar. Why does this give me like Linkin Park music video vibes too? This feels like, oh, she just murked everybody. Oof. Her raps are always fire. Beat my side. Oh, do we have to like choose? Are they all? Is it like choose your character kind of feel? Cause. Ooh, okay. Got like wedding dress, but like make it fashion. Goddess. Break my, is that a sign? Break my habit now. It just feels like an intro to a game or a show. That's what it feels like to me. Please someone fight for us. Oh God. Who do I have to jump? Oh, okay, switch up. Oh my God, like it literally looks like a video game. Like the whole thing. Is this, okay? Coming through the roof? Walking through with these horsemen? Horsemen? Fight for us. Is it my home in the ocean? Oh. Yeah, take his mind. Oh, those were giraffes and a ram. What is happening here? La Maison. What does that mean again? I'm gonna have to look it up. Ooh. But when they come together, they take over. Wow. No emotion, just like la Maison. Just dead stare. I guess we gotta fight. Maison, what's Maison? Oh, home. My home. My house. My home. Okay. In French. Okay. Ooh, okay, Dreamcatcher with that French. You already know. Yeah, what's this like? The whole like production felt like at least for the music video wise, it felt like a video game almost. Think about Dreamcatcher, they always put me into their fantasy, whether it would be like, you know, horror or just epicness in general. They always put me into their fantasy, and I kind of just like engulf myself into their world, which is kind of fire each time. It feels like a new storyline, like they're moving on. Anyways, put in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE from Jrekml. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys to the next video. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey! you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.